Welcome to Madraasi kitchen. Today we are going to see how to prepare prawn 65. Prawn 65 is a crispy deep fried recipe that can be served as a starter, tea time snack or as a side dish. Ingredients are prawns, oil for deep frying, lemon juice, gram flour, cumin powder, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste. If you want, you can add red food color. Add prawns, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, gram flour, curry leaves. Mix all these together. Lemon juice. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. Heat oil in a kadai. Gently drop the prawns into the oil. Drain the oil and remove them from fire. Prawn 65 is ready to serve.